Is your Canon LBP632Cdw driver refusing to install? Don't worry, this is a common problem, and in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix it.
Most installation issues happen because of an outdated driver, Windows security settings, or USB connection problems.
Or downloading the wrong driver for your operating system.
First, uninstall any old Canon drivers from your computer. Restart your PC. Then download the latest LBP driver that matches your Windows version from Canon's. Installing the correct driver version is one of the most effective fixes.
If Windows still doesn't detect the printer, disconnect the USB cable, restart the installer, and reconnect the printer only when prompted.
For network installation, make sure the printer and computer are on the same network and use Canon's Network Setup tool if the printer isn't found. If installation still fails, run the installer as administrator and temporarily disable antivirus software during setup. Then restart your computer and try again.
If this guide helped you fix your Canon LBP632Cdw driver installation problem, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other